Handyman Dan here with the YouTube channel You Can Build This. If you have a leaking manifold for Pex plumbing, I'm going to show you how to fix it. If you have the right parts to replace these cartridges, this fix can be done in under 30 minutes. Luckily, I was able to get this fixed for 75 bucks, which is still much cheaper than calling out a plumber to do the service repair. We seriously got so lucky with our house that they installed this manifold. I've heard mixed reviews about it, but I love it. Everything has its own line, and to turn off the water to a certain spot, you just have to find out which one it is and then turn it off. My family has a little bit of a problem because I cannot get this valve to stop leaking. It's not leaking in this, fortunately. Now the reason I'm fixing our cartridge in our manifold is because it's leaking at our shower head upstairs. This is not leaking as far as like you can see drips here, but it's leaking, and because it has PEX pipe connected to it, it's not leaking here, but it's leaking at the shower head, and that's what we're trying to fix. If you've never messed with a manifold before, I'll just give a quick rundown of it. This manifold has a lot of different cartridges here, and each cartridge runs to a different part of the house. So for example, this one says bath number 2 hot. So right across from it is bath number 2 tub cold. So this line is specifically for bath number 2, the sink, and the hot line. This one is specifically for bath number 2 tub, and it's the cold line. So by using this tool, it's got a little diamond on it, I can turn this 90 degrees and it will turn off the water to that line. So if anybody turns on the sink upstairs, it might spray out a little bit of water just because there's some water in the line, but it won't do a constant feed of water. All of this manifold is constantly under pressure right now because the water at the shutoff valve to our house is on. It immediately pressurizes this whole system and it's under pressure. So you may be wondering, like, why can I not just take out this valve? Or why can't I just turn it open with nothing attached to it? Because if I do, it will spray water with a lot of pressure, similar pressure to what's at my house. It'll spray it all over right here. Even if I turn it on a little bit, I'll get a drip. If I don't have a cartridge in here, it will leak. So that's why these cartridges are so important. I can't just take one out and leave it out because the whole system is under pressure. I got a small set of these pliers, these vice grips, hoping that since the throat is small that I have enough clearance. It's got 2 little prongs. You just got to push in. Oh yeah. Come on, baby. Ooh, I got it out. They make some where it's just got the gasket at the top and the bottom and not these ones. I was hoping I just need to buy those, but that's not the case. So I need to get these 2 replacements. Oh yeah, sick. So this is the good side. See that damage right there? This is where it was leaking. Man, that goes in so smooth. It's really easy. You just push it back in all the way. You're gonna hear it click, and then you just feel it with your fingers to make sure that those nubs on the back have cleared the back of this port. Let's go turn the water on and see how it does. If it works, then the shower upstairs should not leak anymore. And what that gasket is covering up is that little hole right there. You can see it inside of the port manifold. It's just covering up the hole and stopping the water from going left out of the port. And if we see no water coming out of this, then we know that it's fixed. As always, thank you for watching this video. We hope it helped you. Now, if you want to see all of the fun I had actually fixing this instead of using all of our magic editing skills to put this on YouTube, make sure to check in the description below for the full video of the entire process we went through to really fix this. We would have kept everything as one video, but it was way too long. So in order to make it a quick, easy fix tutorial video for you on how to change one of the cartridges, we'll link the whole story into another video in the description below. If you want to see even more DIY videos like this to help you conquer all of your projects, make sure to check out all of the other videos we have on our playlists on our channel. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.